In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Claude isn't working right now, 2026. If you're seeing an error that says Claude isn't working right now, don't worry. This usually points to a temporary hiccup with your session or the service itself, and there are a couple of quick things you can do to get back on track. First, confirm that Claude really isn't working. If the page seems stuck, refresh it once and wait a few seconds. Sometimes a brief pause is all it takes for the service to recover. If you keep seeing the same message or your requests don't go through, move on to the next step. Next, open your browser menu and start a private or incognito window. This launches a fresh browsing session without your regular cookies, cached data, or most extensions, which can interfere with sign-ins and app behavior. In most browsers, you'll find this option by clicking the menu at the top right and choosing New Incognito Window or New Private Window. You can also use common shortcuts like Control-Shift-N on Windows or Command-Shift-N on macOS in many browsers. The goal here is simply to get a clean environment that isolates the issue. Now, in that private window, go to Claude and sign in. Because it's a clean session, you'll likely be asked to log in again and complete any usual verification steps. This is helpful because it bypasses any stale cookies or conflicting extensions that might have been causing the problem. Once you're in, try a quick prompt to confirm everything is responding. If it works here, that's a strong sign the original issue was tied to your regular browsing session. You can continue working in the private window for now, or later return to your normal window, knowing the service is fine. If you still see the same problem in the private window, check whether there's a broader service issue. Open your preferred search engine and look up Claude Status or Claude Server Status. You're looking for the official status page or a recent update from the provider. On a status page, you'll see if there's an ongoing incident or maintenance that could affect sign-ins or responses. If an outage is reported, the best course is to wait until the team resolves it, then try again. If everything shows green and no incidents are listed, give it a little time, and retry temporary congestion can clear quickly. That's it. Verify the problem, open a private window, sign in there, and check the official status if issues persist. Thanks for watching.